In this video, I will be showing you how to make a social card in Gamma AI. Let's get started. Starting on my dashboard, I'll head over to the top and click on Create New AI to begin a fresh project. From the available options, I'm going to select Generate to let the AI build the layout for me. Now I need to switch the format from a presentation to social since we're making a card. I'll click the drop-down menu for the number of cards and change it to just one card for a single focus post. In the description box, I'll type in my prompt. I am asking for a futuristic 2026 social media card about the rise of autonomous AI agents with 3 key impact areas and a high contrast dark mode look. Once that's ready, I'll click Generate Outline. The AI quickly breaks down the different sections for the card. I want all of this information on one single card, so I'm going to use the Merge into Card Above button to combine these points. I'll just click this arrow for each section, one by one, merging them all upwards until everything is consolidated into the first card. This ensures the AI doesn't create multiple pages for a single social post. Now I will scroll down to customize the look. I'll set the text content to minimal to keep it clean and professional. Then I'll browse through the themes. There are many great options here, but I'm going to choose this blues style to match that high contrast look I asked for. With everything set, I'll hit the Generate button. You can see the AI working in real time now. It's building out the header, then listing out the 3 impact areas. Hyper-personalized experiences, accelerated innovation cycles, and seamless workflow automation. It finishes off with a great closing question asking if the viewer is ready. It looks polished, professional, and fits the aesthetic perfectly. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a social card in Gamma AI.